Take a close look at how peel and stick tiles can completely transform your kitchen or bathroom in just a few hours. If you've ever wanted a fresh, modern backsplash or a stylish wall upgrade without the mess of traditional renovation, this is the perfect solution. These tiles combine beauty, durability, and convenience in one simple product. Designed specifically for kitchens and bathrooms, peel and stick tiles are waterproof and moisture-resistant. That means steam from hot showers, splashes from the sink, and everyday humidity won't damage them. Unlike traditional wallpaper or painted walls, these tiles are built to handle real-life conditions. They maintain their look and structure, even in high-moisture environments. Installation is incredibly easy. No grout, no glue, no professional tools. Simply clean the surface, peel off the protective backing, and press the tile firmly into place. It's a true DIY-friendly upgrade that anyone can handle. Whether you're a homeowner refreshing your space, or a renter looking for a removable improvement, these tiles make the process fast and stress-free. The designs are stunning and realistic, from marble-inspired finishes to stone textures, brick effects, and modern geometric patterns. Peel and stick tiles create a high-end appearance without the high-end cost. The 3D texture adds depth and dimension, reflecting light beautifully and giving your walls a premium feel. Another major advantage is durability. These tiles are made to last. They resist heat from stovetops, making them ideal for kitchen backsplashes. Many models are also fire-resistant, adding an extra level of safety to your cooking area. In bathrooms, they stand strong against moisture and temperature changes, staying firmly attached over time. Cleaning is effortless, cooking splashes. Soap residue, no problem. Simply wipe the surface with a damp cloth, and your tiles look brand new again. There's no need for special cleaning products or complicated maintenance routines. This makes them perfect for busy households where convenience matters. Peel and stick tiles also protect your walls. They act as a barrier against stains, grease, and minor scratches. Instead of worrying about damaged paint or worn surfaces, you get an extra protective layer that keeps your walls looking fresh and polished. One of the most exciting aspects of these tiles is how quickly they change the atmosphere of a room. A dull kitchen wall can instantly become a stylish focal point. A plain bathroom can turn into a modern spa-like retreat. The transformation is dramatic, yet the effort required is minimal. Because they're lightweight and flexible, peel and stick tiles can be applied not only to walls, but also to certain smooth surfaces like cabinet fronts, islands, or even furniture accents. This opens up endless creative possibilities for personalizing your interior. And if you ever decide to update your design again, many peel and stick tiles can be removed without damaging the original surface underneath. That flexibility makes them a smart choice for people who love to refresh their decor regularly. Affordable, practical, and visually impressive, peel and stick tiles for kitchen and bathroom spaces are one of the smartest home upgrades available today. They combine modern design, strong performance, and easy installation in one product. So if you're looking for a simple way to upgrade your kitchen backsplash or give your bathroom walls a fresh new look, peel and stick tiles are the answer. Beautiful results, no stress, no mess, just peel, stick, and enjoy your stunning transformation.
Watch me rise.